I tried to start an insurance company and that failed. I tried to start a small VC fund that failed. I tried to start a real estate based software as a service that failed. Like I couldn't get traction. I was always so
right.
I really wasn't capable of working.
Right. Yeah, but you did some other things though. It wasn't just there was some effort, but it just wasn't, your head wasn't in the right place to make it work.
Yeah, I tried. I had an insurance agency for 3 years. That was awful. I hated that. It was doing okay. It was paying some bills, but it didn't. And
Right.
I had a software company for 5 years that actually, turned in its last year $100,000 in revenue.
Oh, okay. Right.
But then COVID hit and
Right.
all hell broke loose. I'm like, well, there's that 5 years down the drain.
Right.
I definitely put in effort, but it wasn't good.
Yeah. No, I get it.
Real estate really is my bailiwick. I love it. I thrive in this environment. It's number crunching and analytics, which I'm really great at.